how to stop SHEIN from sending spam notifications. So for that, let's open our SHEIN, and in here tap on me icon right here. Then from here tap on the gear-like icon, then we'll get to the settings. So from here, the first thing that you need to do is tap on accessibility and check in right here. So make sure that this is turned off like that. Then go back, and in here we'll go to contact preferences. From here tap on the edit option right from the push notification. Then after doing that, if you do want the shipping and customer service information, do not touch in those two options. But if you do not want any kind of account permission and subscription notification, you can simply turn them off just like this. So after doing that, the another thing would be product spamming and promotion events. You can simply turn both of these off just like this. And in here you can see I do want the coupon and points reminder, so I'm going to enable this option. And after disabling all of these, you'll be able to stop SHEIN from sending you spam notifications, and that's it.